Yo, Cadillac air filter change? 3.6 liter? What? Let's change the air filter. Flathead screwdriver. Get our hose clamp all nice and loose, you know. Got some clips. Pull up, pull down. 1, 2, 3. It's a little tight in the back. Covers off. Air filters out. Blow your air box out if it's nasty. I think these are slightly offset, like they're not a perfect square. And we just fit it down in there. Ta-da. Get the little ears and their clips in the back underneath here. They're hard to see. Make sure you're in them all. Line her up. Push her down. Get your clamps back on there. They go up on one lever and down on the other lever. Snap them all on. Tighten up your hose clamp. And you're done. That's it. See ya.